Hello everyone, my name is Shreya. I am working as an assistant teacher in MNR School of Excellence Kamuthi. It's a privilege getting an opportunity to share my views on the topic impact of science, technology and innovation in education. The contents of this presentation which I will be discussing are introduction, what is science, what is technology, what is education, impact of science on education, type of technologies used in education, enhanced teaching and learning, and last is conclusion. The era of 21st century is often called as an era of science and technology. Technology today plays a vital role in our life. It is seen as a basis growth of an economy. An economy which is poor in technology can never grow in today's scenario. This is because technology makes our work much easier and less time consuming. The impact of technology can be felt in every possible field, and one such field is education. Now, let us understand what is science. Science is the process of gaining knowledge and investigating by making observation, posing question and testing through experimentation. Science is broadly classified into three main categories. One is physical science or physics, that is study of the environment. Chemical science, that is chemistry, study of chemicals and how they combine. And bioscience is biology, study of living things. So biology is also further classified into two main categories. One is botany and other is zoology. Botany is study of plants and zoology is study of animals. So everywhere there is science. Without science, a life cannot exist. Now let us understand what is technology. Technology is the term that refers to the body of knowledge that is employed to generate tools, create skills and choose materials for human use. And technology is also provides the method and process which is used to achieve our goals. Technology includes the use of materials, tools, techniques and source of power to make life easier and more productive. Coming to the what is education all about. Education in its general sense is a form of learning in which the knowledge, skills and habit of group of people or students are transferred from one generation to the next through teaching, training or research. Let us discuss the importance of science in education. Science education is one of the most important subjects in school as it helps to build problem solving and critical thinking ability. These are the lifelong skills to allow students to generate ideas, make decisions intelligently and even understand the evidence behind the public policy making. Teaching technological literacy, critical thinking and problem solving through science education gives the students the skill and knowledge they need to succeed in school and beyond that. And also they get innovative skills by learning science. So now let us understand the types of technology used in education. Types of technologies used in education are smartboard, class PCs, projector and television. So all of you must be knowing the uses of this technology. In this slide, we will be discussing the enhanced teaching and learning. So technological developments like digital camera, projector, mind training, software, computer, PowerPoint, presentation, 3D visualization tools, all these have become a great source for teachers to help students to grab the concept easily. It has to be understood that the visual explanation of concept makes learning fun, enjoyable for students. They are able to participate more in the classroom, and even the teachers get chance to make their classroom more interactive and interesting. The latest technology which is going on in day-to-day life are artificial intelligence, data science, cyber security, blockchain, virtual reality. So these technologies makes our life more secure and smoother. So I would like to conclude by saying that science and technology has very positive impact on education, so we should take advantage of it for our own improvement.